expect to be making a payment probably within the next month or two when we start getting busier and I have bigger paychecks, of course.
Amber won at the MGM casino $45,000.
Remains an outstanding balance of $19,136.50.
It's January 4th, 2024. This is date and time set for the court show cause hearing with regard to child support. Ms. Sandra Pennel, if you'd state your name for the record, please.
Sandra Pennel.
Thank you. Ms. Amber Pennel, please state your name.
Amber Pennel.
Thank you. Mr. Hogue.
Jeremy Hogue, friend of the court. This is the matter of Sandra Pennel versus Amber Pennel. Motion in order to show cause was served on Amber Pennel December 5th, 2023. And the most recent order regarding child support in this matter is the party's first order modifying their order for support that was entered in October of 2022. That requires $346 a month in child support and medical support. The last payments received were in August of 2023. Those payments totaled $485. Amber Pennel's overall payment history has been fairly poor. There have been some periods of payments. There remains an outstanding balance of $19,136.50. Of that amount, $18,691 is due in child support. There are $300 in costs associated with the issuance of historical bench warrants, and the remainder of the total balance is in fees. I can provide the payment history for the court's review.
All right, thank you. Ms. Pennel, Ms. Amber Pennel, what's been going on?
Well, just within the last few months since August, my hours have been cut because season obviously has changed. And I've gone down to maybe like 1 to 2 days a week, but I'm slowly picking back up and getting more hours at the moment. So I expect to be making a payment probably within the next week or two.
What do you anticipate that payment being?
Probably, I mean, I know that the order is for like 380, but I know that I could probably do 200 no matter what. I'd like to meet the 380, but that's more so probably in the next month or two when we start getting busier and I have bigger paychecks, of course.
This young lady, whenever the child needs to eat, she can't make excuses. And every month she has to pay bills and she can't make excuses. So he needs to pay on a monthly basis every month.
Where are you working?
I'm a supervisor at Queen Airbnb downtown Trevor City.
Is that a place where we could get an income withholding order in?
Well, I'm an independent contractor. I'm not sure how that works with you guys.
Okay. Probably not.
I'm not sure. Okay.
Okay. Ms. Sandra Pennel, anything you'd like to add or say?
Yeah, I do have a issue. Back in the end of July or beginning of August, Amber won at the MGM casino $45,000. I just found out in December that she had been sending Amaya money through Cash App. I knew nothing about, to a total of $1,878. I got a child support payment the first week of August, and that's been it.
Okay, I didn't want to cut you off. Is that?
Yeah, I don't understand why I only got one child support payment when she won $45,000, send $18,000 or $1,878 to Amaya through Cash App secretly. I knew nothing about, and Amaya went through all the cash without me knowing it.
Okay. Well, it sounds to me like we've got a steady job, so there's no reason to think you can't work. You're just not paying. I don't find any undue hardship on the record. So, ma'am, Ms. Amber Pennel, I'm going to find you in contempt. You're to pay what's ordered plus $87 per month. If you fail to do so, a bench warrant could be issued for your arrest. You may have to serve up to 30 days in jail. I'm going to set bond at $600. And so if you just pay as ordered, there won't be a bench warrant, but it sounds like there's no reason why you can't be making the 346 and now it's going to be plus the 87 per month. So unless there's anything further, we'll stand adjourned. We need steady payments coming in.
So,
Okay, Your
Miss
Honor, thank you.
Ms. Pennel, I'd like to just clarify for you what your total obligation is going to be with your current charge plus the $87 a month. That is $433 a month is what would be expected to be paid. So Amber, what that actually means is on a regular basis, if you pay $100 on a weekly basis, that comes out to almost exactly $435 a month over the course of the year.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, I got it down. Thank you.
All right, thank you all.
Also, this year, he took a paid family medical leave for 12 weeks. He was being paid, and then just willingly did not pay any child support for 12 weeks during school, back to school time. Eva had just had surgery. When I asked him why he wasn't paying it, he told me that he knew child support couldn't garnish that. I contacted DCS. They can't garnish Washington State paid leave. He also then told me that he had moved all of his vehicles into his girlfriend Lita's name so that they couldn't put a lien on it. He inherited a house from his dad, who's passed away now, and he's leaving it in his name and not refinancing his name so that they can't put a lien on it. Mr. Foreman has never willingly paid for anything for these children unless he is garnished.